Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Sosoko. So on this video right here, I'm going to show you how to change the color of this car to another color. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first, what I need to do, or once you want to change the color of any car in Photoshop, the first thing is to select the place or the areas you want to change, like you want the effect to be applied on. So in this video I have a selection which I did, so it won't take time while trying to select it, because you really need a perfect selection for this. So I'll just pick this off. So after getting the selection, the next thing you need to do is to get to solid color. When you get to solid color, this is where you are going to choose any color you want to apply on. So on this video I will choose blue color. So after doing that, I'll click OK. So this is how it's showing, but you shouldn't worry about it. So I'll now come to the blending mode. I'll now take it down to colors. So you can see the selection here, it has a little bit error right there because the previous color is still showing. So I'll now add a little hardness to it. So I'll brush this off. I'll just brush this area off. That is why I said you need to have a perfect selection while doing this. So after doing this, I'll now come and right click on this layer and now click on the blending mode option. So I'll come right to this point, then I'll take this back. So after taking this back, you can see it's another color entirely. So if you come back to this blending mode, okay, this is what's going to happen. Let me undo. So after having this color, I'll come to the blending mode. Sorry about the loading process. So I'll now take this a little bit back, then click OK. So you can see I've actually changed the color of this car, and with this right here I can actually change this slide to any color, any desired color which I want it to be applied on. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and stay active for more amazing tutorial videos coming up. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.